how to review search history on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review search history on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and click settings and privacy, and then settings, and go down until you find activity log, and then click this one, logged actions and other activity, and then click search history, and here you can review search history on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. That's how to review search history on Facebook mobile. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.